to play a game. We're calling this Culinary Ninja Warrior. We're going to make him blindfolded taste 5 things. I don't know what's over there. If you can guess, let's say 4 out of 5.
Okay.
If he can guess 4 out of 5, everybody gets a cool prize. Everyone's gonna get, don't worry, I cheat, I'll give it to you anyway. Everybody's gonna get the iHome Zenergy. Check out this thing. It is a flameless candle that has an array of colors and 8 sound therapy modes to soothe and relax us. Ooh. I don't know, I'm
trying to send all of you guys home with that.
All right, put on your blindfold.
Okay. All right.
I don't even know if I'm tall enough to feed him.
I'm only 6'6", so I'm not that tall.
Only?
Yeah, only 6'6".
Only. I got the highest heels I own on, and I'm not even in his armpit. It's crazy.
How tall are you?
I'm short. I'm way south. I'm a foot. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Okay, open wide.
Okay.
You don't have to take the entire bite, but go ahead. That was too easy.
Those are the little gummy worms.
Exactly.
Okay. But see, that was easy because I have kids.
See, now this is so easy. Here's the spoon, tall man.
Okay.
All right, get it up there. Take a little or a lot. It's up to you.
Okay. Chocolate pudding.
Frosting, pudding, same thing.
All right.
Good.
Okay.
There better be some scarier stuff coming up, because this is too easy. All right. That one's a little mushy. Here's a napkin. Here's a napkin.
All right. I really can't see anything.
Open wide.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I feel like I'm feeding a baby.
No, let me tell you something right now. My wife used to get so upset with me because I used to hijack my kids' Gerber. And it's like, this for the kids. And I used to be, because Gerber tastes good. But that's applesauce for sure.
It sure is.
Sure. That's my favorite one.
All right. All right, here. This one, take up. You might want a little bit of that or a lot. I don't know.
Okay, the way you said that scared me. I had to think twice. I'm confused. I've had this. This tastes like Nigerian food called ogi, but this is not ogi. It tastes like rice. I don't know, what is rice and goat milk?
It's cottage cheese.
Oh. Okay.
Or if you're Nigerian, ogi.
Ogi, yes.
I don't even know what the heck this is, but I don't know. Open wide.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I know what that is.
I've had this before.
Believe me, you've definitely had it.
Oh, man.
It has nothing to do with the ogi or the goat.
No, it doesn't. No, how you know Nigerians love goat?
Well, Sicilians have the same love.
Oh, okay, all right. I've had that before. What does it start with?
Maybe every morning, you start by cracking one of them.
Oh, that's what it is. It's egg.
It's scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg.
Good job, good job. 5 for 5. Kind of. I cannot wait to see you compete on your own show. But America Ninja Warrior, Ninja versus Ninja airs Thursdays at 9 p.m. on USA.